Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best homemade ice cream is probably one of the most delightful and rewarding culinary adventures one can embark on, transforming simple ingredients into creamy, dreamy frozen desserts right in your own kitchen, offering a personalized taste experience far beyond what any store-bought pint can provide, making it a perfect activity for family fun or a sophisticated treat for yourself. Number 5. Cuisinart IC 30 BCP 1-2 quart automatic ice cream maker. Create delicious ice cream, sorbet, and frozen yogurt with ease. This machine makes your favorite frozen treats in under 30 minutes. The double-insulated freezer bowl holds up to 2 quarts of your chosen dessert. Perfect for sharing or enjoying multiple servings. Its powerful, heavy-duty motor handles the entire process automatically. Just add your ingredients and let it work its magic. Easily add your favorite mix-ins like chocolate chips or nuts through the large ingredient spout. Customize your creations effortlessly. Enjoy a clutter-free kitchen with its convenient retractable cord storage. It keeps your countertops neat and tidy when not in use. This comes with everything you need: a replacement lid, the freezer bowl, a paddle, instructions, and a recipe book to get you started. Rest assured with a limited 3-year warranty on this BPA-free appliance. It's built for lasting performance and your peace of mind. What we like? This machine is fully automatic and can whip up your favorite frozen desserts in under 30 minutes. If you're looking for speed and convenience for everyday treats, this is a fantastic choice. Its double-insulated bowl ensures your ice cream stays perfectly frozen. What people say. The ice cream maker is very easy to use and produces delicious homemade ice cream in under 30 minutes. I love the compact design of this ice cream maker. It doesn't take up much counter space. The machine is surprisingly quiet while operating, which is a big plus for me. Number 4. Nostalgia Electric Ice Cream Maker, 4 quart. Enjoy a fun ice cream experience with modern convenience. You can make ice cream, frozen yogurt, or gelato, or even create your own unique flavors. Our machines pair perfectly with nostalgia ice cream kits. Try the classic flavors or the premium starter kit for your next party. Make delicious homemade ice cream in just 20 minutes. The powerful electric motor does all the churning for you, so there's no manual effort required. Take your frozen dessert maker to parties or a friend's house with ease. It features a convenient carrying handle attached to the bucket for portability. We offer unique and fun products inspired by vintage American design. We embrace the past while creating enjoyable appliances for today's families. What we like? Embrace a classic aesthetic with this machine, perfect for gatherings and parties. If you love the idea of a vintage look and need to make larger batches for family and friends, its portable design makes it easy to share the fun. What people say. It works great every time. Perfect size. Easy to clean. Easy to use. It's very easy to use and comes with many recipes. It makes a lot of ice cream but doesn't take up a lot of storage room. It's very easy to use and makes smooth, creamy ice cream in no time. The instructions are clear, and the machine runs quietly and efficiently. Number 3. No Fuss Bread Machine Cookbook. Tired of complicated baking? Discover the joy of perfect homemade bread with minimal effort. This cookbook makes it simple. Imagine delicious, fresh bread without the constant attention. Our recipes are designed for true hands-off convenience. Achieve consistently perfect results with every loaf you bake. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to bakery-quality bread at home. We've simplified the process so anyone can bake amazing bread. Enjoy the taste and aroma of freshly baked bread with ease. This is your essential guide to unlocking the full potential of your bread machine. Get ready to impress yourself and your family with incredible homemade bread. What we like? This cookbook offers a truly no-fuss approach to baking bread at home. If you're a beginner baker or simply want delicious, effortless bread without the guesswork, this is your go-to guide. It's perfect for busy individuals who crave fresh, homemade loaves. What people say. The machine is very easy to use, just add ingredients and press a button. It makes ice cream in about 20 to 30 minutes, which is faster than I expected. The compact design doesn't take up much counter space. Number 2. Junket Ice Cream Mix Bundle. Introducing the Junket Ice Cream Mix Bundle, a delightful collection for every ice cream lover. Enjoy a variety of classic flavors. Savor the timeless taste of vanilla with 2 generous portions. It's perfect for a simple, creamy treat. Dive into the deep, satisfying flavor of chocolate. These 2 mixes promise a truly decadent experience. Experience the fresh, fruity essence of strawberry. 2 delightful options for a refreshing dessert. With a total of 6 servings, this bundle offers plenty of enjoyment for family and friends. Get ready for delicious homemade ice cream. What we like. This bundle provides a convenient way to enjoy classic ice cream flavors at home. If you want a quick and easy solution for satisfying your sweet tooth or need a crowd pleaser for a family night, these mixes are ideal. Just add your own cream and sugar. What people say. It makes better, creamier ice cream than you can find in any ice cream parlor you can find. Just put the mix, cream and milk is a blender, mix till smooth, dump it into an ice cream maker, manual or electric. In 20 to 30 minutes, and there you have it. I love this product to make ice cream at home. It's so easy and I can add fresh fruit or chocolate chips. Each box makes approximate 2 quarts. I used it in my Cuisinart ice cream maker and in less than 30 minutes we were enjoying ice cream. These are easy to make using either water or milk. The texture is more like ice cream if you use milk. They tasted good with sufficient flavor. Number 1. Homemade Ice Cream Recipe Book. Discover the joy of creating classic American ice cream flavors right in your own kitchen. This book is your guide to delicious, homemade frozen desserts. Designed specifically for use with your ice cream maker, these recipes ensure perfect results every time. Enjoy the convenience of making your favorite treats at home. Relive the taste of traditional ice cream with recipes that are easy to follow. We bring you the best of old-fashioned flavors with simple, modern instructions. Explore a wide range of beloved flavors, from the simple elegance of vanilla to the deep richness of chocolate. Each recipe is crafted to be a crowd pleaser. Gather your family and friends for a delightful dessert experience. These recipes are perfect for making sweet memories and enjoying delicious homemade ice cream together. Keep this collection handy for all your ice cream cravings. It's the ultimate resource for anyone who loves authentic, homemade frozen treats. What we like. Dive into the nostalgic flavors of classic American ice cream with this recipe book. If you're a fan of traditional tastes and want to explore a wide range of beloved recipes, this is the perfect companion for your ice cream maker. It's great for those who appreciate timeless dessert experiences. What people say. Every single recipe I've tried so far has been delicious. No duds, no, well, maybe next time, moments. Just classic, old-fashioned, all-American ice cream perfection. The instructions are super clear, even if you've never made ice cream before, and the troubleshooting tips are a lifesaver, especially if you're still figuring out your ice cream maker's personality. I also love that it includes all the extras: cones, sauces, hot fudge, whipped cream, ice cream sandwiches, basically everything you need to turn your kitchen into a mini ice cream shop. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.